For decades, scientists believed that infectious diseases were caused solely by bacteria, viruses, fungi, or parasites. These pathogens spread through various means, replicating within their hosts and causing illness. However, the discovery of prions in the 1980s shattered this paradigm, revealing a completely new type of infectious agent. Prions, short for proteinaceous infectious particles, are not living organisms. They lack the genetic material, DNA or RNA, found in all other infectious agents. Instead, prions are misfolded versions of normal proteins found in the body, particularly in the brain. These abnormally folded prions have the alarming ability to induce normal proteins to adopt their misshapen form. This chain reaction of misfolding spreads throughout the brain, leading to severe damage and neurological dysfunction. The discovery of prions revolutionized our understanding of infectious diseases, demonstrating that even simple proteins could act as infectious agents. This groundbreaking finding opened up a new avenue of research, with scientists working tirelessly to understand the complexities of prion biology and develop effective treatments for prion diseases. Prion diseases can arise through different pathways. Some forms are inherited, caused by mutations in the gene that codes for the prion protein, and these mutations make the protein more susceptible to misfolding, increasing the risk of developing the disease. Other prion diseases are acquired through exposure to infectious prions. This can occur through contaminated surgical instruments, organ transplants, or consumption of infected meat. In the case of mad cow disease, also known as bovine spongiform encephalopathy, BSE, the prions are believed to have spread through cattle feed contaminated with infected animal byproducts. Regardless of the route of transmission, once a prion enters the body, it begins its insidious work. The misfolded prion acts as a template, binding to normal prion proteins and forcing them to adopt its abnormal shape. This process sets off a domino effect, with increasing numbers of misfolded proteins aggregating and forming clumps. These clumps disrupt the normal function of brain cells, leading to cell death and the characteristic spongy appearance of the brain tissue observed in prion diseases. Prion diseases are a group of rare, fatal neurodegenerative disorders that affect both humans and animals. These diseases are characterized by a progressive decline in brain function, leading to dementia, loss of coordination, and ultimately death. In humans, the most common prion disease is Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, CJD. CJD typically affects older adults, causing rapidly progressing dementia, muscle twitching, and personality changes. There are different forms of CJD, including sporadic CJD, which occurs randomly, and familial CJD, which is inherited. Another human prion disease, kuru, was once prevalent in Papua New Guinea and linked to cannibalistic rituals. The disease was spread through the consumption of infected human brain tissue, highlighting the potential for prion transmission through ingestion. Animals are also susceptible to prion diseases. Mad cow disease, which emerged in the United Kingdom in the 1980s, had a devastating impact on the cattle industry. The disease spread rapidly through contaminated cattle feed, leading to the culling of millions of animals. The emergence of mad cow disease also raised concerns about the potential transmission to humans through the consumption of infected beef. While the number of human cases linked to BSE was relatively small, the outbreak highlighted the potential for prion diseases to cross species barriers. Prion diseases present a significant challenge to human and animal health. These diseases are universally fatal, with no effective treatments currently available. The unique nature of prions, their resistance to conventional sterilization methods, and their ability to cross species barriers make them a serious public health concern. Understanding how prions cause disease is crucial for developing strategies to prevent, diagnose, and treat prion diseases. Scientists are working to unravel the mechanisms of prion propagation, identify potential therapeutic targets, and develop diagnostic tools for early detection. Research on prions has far-reaching implications beyond the realm of infectious diseases. Prions are now recognized as playing a role in other neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. The misfolding and aggregation of proteins are common themes in these conditions, suggesting that insights gained from prion research may hold the key to understanding and treating a wider range of devastating neurological disorders. The journey to unraveling the mysteries of prions is ongoing, but each new discovery brings us closer to understanding these enigmatic agents and developing effective strategies to combat the diseases they cause. The future of prion research holds immense promise for safeguarding human and animal health and advancing our understanding of the brain and its intricate workings.